Modifications to Jeeps started with the military by adding gun turrets, ammunition boxes, and hitches to pull heavy equipment. Private owners started modifying Jeeps with bigger tires, lift kits, and light bars. StarLED is quickly becoming the leader in LED light replacements for all models of Jeeps. We have removed the grille of this 2016 Jeep Wrangler to access the headlights, blinkers, and fog lights. It's a simple process since Jeeps have plenty of room to maneuver. The removal of the Jeep headlight is a simple process by just removing the 4 screws holding the light reflector. Here we are moving the front headlight reflector to get to the twist-in HID light bulb. Unplug the bulb from the power wire and twist the old HID light bulb counterclockwise to remove it. Putting in the new StarLED H13 headlight LED light bulb is just as easy with a twist clockwise. Then connect back up the power to the bulb and put it back into the housing screws. The front directional bulbs are even easier to replace. Just unplug the old incandescent bulb and replace it with the StarLED 3157 LED light bulb. Here, you can see the difference between the new StarLED LED lights and the old incandescent lights. Notice the color variation. And notice how bright the StarLED light bulb is. With the front grille installed, you can see how bright and modern looking the LED headlights are and driving lights look. Replacement of the side markers are simple with the plug-and-play StarLED T10 bulbs. Just pull out the old light bulb and plug in the new T10 light bulb. Now you have a much brighter side marker lamp, so there's no excuse for the other drivers saying that they cannot see you. The taillight and backup lights are also a quick install with just simple twist removal of the old bulbs and installation of new StarLED 3157 LED light bulb for the brakes and the StarLED 3156 LED light bulb for the backup lights. Take note of how quick and easy they are to install. The original interior lights barely light up the inside of the Jeep. Replacing them with the SV 8.5 at 39mm lets you see everything inside your Jeep and adds safety for your occupants. Demand that your local automotive store carry the StarLED LED lights if they don't already, or get them today at StarLEDonline.com.